Hey guys, it's Adrian over BHA here, bringing you a new video. So, the great folks over at Wasserstein sent me over a pretty interesting and cool product to show you guys. So today we're going to be looking at a bird feeder. It's kind of like a bird house, bird feeder, but it has a spot for a camera to go there so that you can kind of watch birds and stuff as they fly up. This is a really cool product for those people that really love watching birds and animals and stuff like that because it's different, it's unique. The cool thing about it is it comes with various mounts, so you can choose which camera you want to put in there, whether it's a Wisecam V3, a Wisecam Outdoor, or maybe even a Blink Cam. So to me, I think that makes this a pretty cool little product. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, let's get this thing opened up. So this is the Bird Feeder Smart Camera Case. I like how this thing is pretty much just considered a case for your smart camera. But you got a little information here on the outside of the box. If we go ahead and open it up, first things first, we got the instructions on how to set this thing up. Let's see here. This looks like the bottom tray here where the food will kind of sit for the birds to eat. We got a mounting bracket. All right, so this is the main piece of the bird feeder where the camera will sit, and looks like the bird feed just kind of fills around it inside here. We got some various brackets here and mounting screws. It looks like a mounting strap as well. So it looks like there's a couple of different ways to mount it. Okay, so here is the roof. And here on the top is kind of where that add-on solar panel would go if you purchased that. But if you pop the back off of the main part of the bird feeder here, this is where you would place the camera. And as you can see, there are several different brackets depending on which camera you're going to be using. But that's pretty much it for what comes in the box itself. To kind of put this thing together here, the top just kind of clips in right here on the top. And what happens is you take that on and off when you need to fill this bird feeder up with bird feed. And then you gotta put that top back on. And then the bottom tray here clips on the bottom as well. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step and we'll get this thing installed. Okay, so just to kind of show you how it goes as far as using a Wisecam V3, remember this takes several different types of cameras, from the Wisecam V3, the outdoor cam, as well as a blink cam, and I think even a ring cam as well. Basically, you pick the right bracket for your camera, and then the bracket goes in first. with the camera sliding in right behind it. And then from there, the back goes right behind that, and it has that hole there for you to put the cord through for powering the camera, and that's pretty much it. Now, as far as getting this thing installed, there's two ways to install it. One is to use the metal mounting bracket, which the birdhouse kind of attaches to and just kind of sits on. The other is a strap that is also provided, which is really designed for you to wrap around a tree and then just kind of tighten it down. And we're going to use that strap here just for ease of installation. So I've got a lot of birds that live under my carport here, so I'm hoping to put this thing right out here and catch some of those birds and hopefully get some good shots of them eating bird feed right here. And here you can see I got the birdhouse mounted using that strap like we talked about, and I just kind of tied the excess strap here on the side. But now we are ready to pour in the bird feed. And then lastly here you can see I've got the bird feed all poured in, filled up. The tray's full of bird feed here on the bottom, and then I've got the roof on top of it, and everything looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and move on to the last step of this video, and we'll just kind of hopefully see this thing in action. All right, so let's see this thing in action. I just want to kind of show you some action shots that were recorded on the Wisecam V3. Now, of course, these are specific to the Wisecam V3, so depending on which camera that you use, you could probably get a little better quality, even maybe with a Wisecam Outdoor versus this Wisecam V3, but unfortunately, this is all I had to work with. So for this video, that's what we're going with. Now, if you notice, just from the start of this video footage here, this is not actually where I did the original install of this bird feeder. So the original place that we installed the camera, I could not get any Wi-Fi coverage out there. So I was unable to get the camera to connect and stay connected to the Wi-Fi. I just don't have a lot of bleed over outside of my house. So I ended up moving it to the front porch and kind of mounted on a post there at my front porch where I can still get fairly decent Wi-Fi coverage. But as you can see here, I got footage of birds here partaking in the bird feed here in the bird feeder. And this thing's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. And I will tell you, I didn't always get shots of birds. I did manage to get a car drive by here in this clip. And then, of course, in this last one here, I actually got a couple of birds enjoying breakfast together, so that was kind of nice too. If you are a bird watcher or bird lover, and maybe have someone in your family that is, this would make a pretty cool gift. All the cameras that work with this bird feeder are very easy to set up, so this really would make a pretty nice gift for someone. If this particular product doesn't interest you, head over to Wasserstein's website. I'll have a link in the description below. They have tons of accessories for all kinds of smart home products and smart cameras. You're definitely going to find something that you'll like. As always, I want to thank everybody for donating to my Buy Me a Coffee link. Every little bit helps. If you haven't had a chance, head over to my spring merchandise page and check out all the Burns home automation merchandise. And if you're looking for the latest smart home gear, you're going to want to check out SMONet. I'll have a link in the description below. Head over there and see what deals they currently have running. And if you're looking for amazing smart home gear for your window coverings, check out SmartWings. They have all kinds of cool products from zebra shades to just your standard smart shades. I'll have a link in the description below. Head over there and see what deals they currently have running. If you're interested in buying and selling stock or maybe cryptocurrency, check out Robinhood. I'll have a link in the description below for that as well. If you sign up with that link, you and I both will get a free share of stock. It's a win-win for both of us. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comments below. As always, if there are any videos out there that you would like to see that I don't already have out there, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll see if I can't get something put together for you guys. Otherwise, I'll see you guys around.